Make the best set. Bye. Yeah, don't make me cry. Okay, so we're going to the. Oh, can you grab my phone, please? We're going through our gate to Houston, and you had to fill out a what did you have to fill out?
An immigration form. First hurdle. They only asked me. They didn't ask the American for some reason. So we'll see.
Yep. With the top heavy suitcase.
We're almost ready to go, so please put away your carry-on items, including large electronics like laptops. Be sure items are placed under the seat in front of you, completely fit under the seat, keeping the area around your feet clear. Feel free to keep using and charging your phones and tablets. Just make sure they are in the airplane.
And trying to find a lounge. Either the Minute Suites or the Centurion Lounge. Whichever is easier, closer. Oh, it's open for us. Thank you.
No wings.
I ate the last of mine. Alright, going to our gate. Last flight, and then we'll be in Guatemala. How long is the flight?
I don't know. 4 hours? 3 hours?
Okay.
Thank you for your long and road.
We'll be arriving in Guatemala City soon. Please help us get ready for landing by putting away your carry-on items, including laptops. Food and beverage items must be collected or put away for landing.
We made it. We made it. And our luggage made it too. We saw it on the plane. Or deboard the plane. Another tunnel. And off we go to the hotel. So from here, Guatemala City to Antigua, it's an hour and a half. With traffic, it's 4 hours. And there's no traffic right now?
There is.
Oh, there is traffic. So it might take a little longer than that.
Esto es Casa Santo.
There's a Domino's. Do you ever feel like pizza?
Yeah.
We're here.
We made it. I'm tired, boss.
I'm tired too. Going into the hotel. Oh,
What's happening?
it's following your face. Okay, into the hotel.
Give me that. You can walk.
Oh.
Hola.
Hi.
Bienvenidos.
Hola.
Hola. Hola. ¿Le puedo ayudar?
No se preocupe.
¿Seguro?
Seguro.
Adelante. Muy bien, gracias. ¿Usted? Bastante largo.
Muchas gracias. ¿Cómo es su nombre?
José Reyes, mucho gusto.
José. Ah, yo
Sí.
también.
Ah, usted también, mucho gusto, bienvenido.
Mucho gusto.
Entonces, por favor, necesitaríamos cualquiera de los dos también. Nombre, teléfono y su firma, por favor. A la del desayuno o en la terraza. La terraza está en fondo.
Okay.
We made it.